One thing I like about this model actually is the balcony and yung abundance niya sa mga windows. Marami siyang malalaking bintana, so yung pasok ng natural light and yung ventilation na rin is maganda. And syempre, gigising ka sa umaga. Coming from your master's bedroom, then pupunta ka dito, tatambay ka for your morning coffee with the view. O, di ba? Saan ka pa? Dito ka na sa The Park at Lipa. Good day everyone, this is Joe Armenta, your ahente next door. And 4 months ago, we posted this video about the new project in Lipa City, Batangas, which is The Park at Lipa. By that time, sinisimulan pa lang i-construct yung ating model house and wala pang masyadong development sa area. Kaya naman, binalikan namin yung site ni The Park at Lipa to give you the latest update on this project. And yes, ready for viewing na po yung ating model house. Malapit na rin matapos yung ating entrance gate and yung ating namang commercial unit ay ready for viewing na rin. By the way, this project is located at Barangay Bulbok, Lipa City, Batangas, and itong daan sa harapan natin ay papunta sa City Town proper, and yung ating namang daan dito sa right side ay shortcut going to Tambo exit kung kayo naman ay going to Manila. Our residential unit is equipped with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and a parking space para sa inyong mga sasakyan. So itong i-view natin today ay ang ating end or corner unit, which starts at 63 square meters lot area, and may mga available din kami na mas mataas yung lot area. So pagpasok mo ng unit, ang haharap sa iyo ay yung living and dining area. So Team Kahoy, yung team nitong ating bahay, and hindi pa siya tapos, bihisan. But then in the future, this will be complete and we invite you to visit. Dito naman ang ating kitchen with our countertops and our sink. And pagpunta mo naman sa likod ay ang iyong service and dirty kitchen area. Pwede mo pa yung ipa-extend sa likod in the future. Complete turnover na, kaya maglalagay ka na lang ng gamit. So check naman natin yung ating first toilet and bath dito sa ground floor. Complete na rin ito with all the things you need in your toilet and bath. So tara, puntahan naman natin yung ating second floor. So we have a concrete staircase and steel railing. Yun ang mga ating flooring for second floor, and the stairs meron ng vinyl tiles. And yes, meron ding toilet and bath dito sa second floor. We also have 3 bedrooms, 1 master bedroom, and 2 additional bedrooms. So kung kayo ay nag-start pa lang with your family or extended ang family nyo, you don't have to worry for living space because we have 3 bedrooms available for your use. Kung kayo naman ay maliit lang na family, yung ating other bedrooms ay pwede mo namang i-convert into a walk-in closet or storage room, office, depende sa iyong pangangailangan or sa iyong preference. And here in our master's bedroom, we have your balcony. So kung ikaw ay mahilig sa morning coffee, kung ikaw ay morning person, saktong-sakto sa itong balcony. Napakaganda, napakalawak. Dito tayo sa taas ng ating model house, and as you can see, this one is the master's bedroom. Yan. Yung mga gamit po dito, take note, hindi po yan kasama sa turnover natin. But then, this is complete finished. Meron na yung vinyl tiles, and at the same time, may mga pintura na rin. One thing I like about this model actually is the balcony and yung abundance niya sa mga windows. Marami siyang malalaking bintana, so yung pasok ng natural light and yung ventilation na rin is maganda. And syempre, ikaw, gigising ka sa umaga. Coming from your master's bedroom, then pupunta ka dito, tatambay ka for your morning coffee with the view. O, di ba? Saan ka pa? Dito ka na sa The Park at Lipa. Aside from our residential unit, we also offer a commercial unit dito sa The Park at Lipa. Kung ikaw ay may negosyo or may planong magnegosyo, this is the best investment for you. We have a very spacious frontage para sa ating mga commercial unit. And to show you, eto sa ating parking lot, meron tayong isang mini truck na nakaparada and may isa pang space sa kabilang side. So depende kung paano mo siya gagamitin. It depends upon you. Then, napakaganda ng location kasi very busy itong road na to. Maraming dumadaan at hindi ka mawawala ng customer. So kung interesado ka, feel free to give us a message on our Facebook page or call us on this number. Again, this is Joe Armenta, your ahente next door.